Hello, Dave here with emergencyprepguy.com. I appreciate you stopping by. This is going to be a really short video. I just finished doing my honey harvest, and so I just wanted to show you a little bit about that. I didn't film the whole process because I've never used one of the extractors before, and so I typically don't like to film something when it's the first time I do it and I'm learning how to use it. And it was pretty quick, pretty simple. It wasn't that difficult, so I'll probably film it next year when I do it then. But anyway, I wanted to show you really quick the results that I've gotten. I don't know if you can see behind me there. We'll walk over there in a second and look at it. But I've stuck all of my empty honey supers out, and the bees are cleaning it up. So they're buzzing all around me right now too, coming and going from those honey supers. So anyway, let's go take a look. Okay, so that's one nice thing about honeybees is cleaning your honey supers afterwards. They'll do it for you. They're just literally, they will get every last drop of honey out of those things, even anything that dripped on the side or whatever. They're not aggressive, like I'm standing here and bees are buzzing all around me. They're not aggressive in a situation like this because that's not their hive at the moment. They're not defending that. That's just a source of free honey. They're super excited. Yay, free honey. So they're cleaning that up, and they'll take it all back over there to their hives over there. So now I'll show an image on the screen of the bucket of honey that I got. I got 8 pounds shy of 5 gallons worth of honey. So it was 52 pounds something. So almost 5 gallons of honey. And just to give you kind of a understanding, this top frame here, the white one, all of the frames in that one I got given to me just a couple of weeks before I took the honey supers off. So they didn't hardly even get to that one. There wasn't any honey in that one. But I'm still letting them clean it up. And then these other 3 honey supers, most of the frames, there's 10 frames in each of the honey supers, and all of the center frames were full on both sides, except there was typically 1.5 frames on either side. So in other words, all of the middle frames, the 6 or 7 frames in the middle were full of honey on each of the boxes. So I think my little bout with getting stung and having to replace my queens slowed them down, plus splitting off the hive early in the season. It'll be interesting to see how much I get next year, where I've got 2 full hives the whole season. Here's the bag with the strainer. I've got some water down in that bowl, just kind of letting the last of the honey drain out. This is all the beeswax that I have from this harvest. Okay, I set this out here in the sun just so I have some good lighting to show this to you. This is the honey extractor that I got off Amazon. There's lots of them on there. This just happens to be the one that I bought. I will link though to it below the videos in case anybody's interested in checking this one out. But it wasn't that expensive. It worked really good. You can see I hosed it off, and there's some water stains on there. I gotta clean it a little bit. I just rinsed it off, but I haven't really cleaned it since using it. And basically what it does is you can put 3 frames in there, and then with this manual handle you just spin it really fast, and the centrifugal force, after you take the caps off of the honey on the frames, the centrifugal force will cause the honey to flee on the edge, and then it runs down into the bottom. And then there's the drain plug that you can drain it into a bucket. It worked really well. Okay, well, I hope that was interesting. I appreciate you guys watching the video all the way to the end. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and especially share this on your social media. Again, I appreciate you watching. Thanks so much.